This is the tutorial for 3D low poly coloring app. When in camera control mode, if I move my fingers over the 3D model, it gets rotated and we can view it from different angles. Pinching does the zooming in and zooming out onto the model. Go to the paint mode by clicking the brush icon on top left. Select the color from the left palette. Move the finger over the 3D model to color it. Let us reduce the brush size and increase opacity so that we can manually color each face. To create a nice looking gradient effect, increase brush size and decrease opacity and just slight tap on the 3D model. So here we have our gradient there. So I should save this file so that I can retrieve it again anytime later. Click on the down arrow button at bottom left to save the file. Provide file name. Click the tick mark. Now if I log in afterwards, then click on the up arrow bottom at bottom left. Select the file which you want to open and click the tick mark. When you do wrong coloring, you have the option to undo or redo. But there are limited undo available, so make sure you keep saving your textures from time to time. Color palette also has color add button below it. Use it if you will be requiring that color again. Subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any further updates.